Once upon a time, humankind turned the corner. Advancements from the horse-drawn carriage to the automobile to rocket ships ushered in a new era. An era in which technological advancement and automation will exponentially be fueled by natural resources. Powered by innovation, the world became smaller, more interconnected. And now, with the advent of integrated circuits and silicon chips, we find ourselves embarking on a deeper exploration of the universe, seamlessly cooperating across vast distances, building and transforming how we live, and how we're turning virtual strangers into virtual partners and overcoming challenges no matter how large with a renewed focus on advancing technologies and scientific breakthroughs in mineral exploration. Our ingenuity as a species is transporting us to new heights into new dimensions of time and space. But as this new frontier evolves, digitally connecting communities are looking to technology to address the ever-increasing challenges we face as a planet. From fast-growing cryptocurrencies to commercial development to the impact on the environment, the goal is to improve quality of life while creating a sustainable system to ensure that humanity can benefit as a whole in a stronger and safer world. Financial freedom is the dream of many, the vision of few, and hopefully the reality of all but the pursuit of this dream. And the furthering of technological advancement comes with a cost. The fruits of our natural world are finite, and we must work to strike a balance between development and the health and prosperity of the planet, to preserve the rights of future generations to enjoy life in a clean, healthy, and safe environment, which means creating a new framework for our society and its economic system. One that uses our resources effectively so that we can stop the ice caps from melting, stop our riverbeds from drying, and keep our forests from burning. Because every day we borrow from the next generation's future. And if we don't change course, our children will inherit a scorched and completed earth. Will they see an old, dying world full of industries continuing to pollute the planet, destroying their communities? Or will they wake up for us and find the way out?
Hey, Daddy. What did you do when you could have done something for me?
Hold my hands, my precious one. Let's lead this change starting in the UAE, who stands at the forefront of this positive movement, rising from the desert into a global powerhouse, boasting architectural wonders committed to sustainability and scientific progress. The UAE has already begun taking the next steps. Healthcare solutions, or financial technology to safeguard our future as a nation and as a people. In the blink of an eye, thousands of companies have been formed, working independently, but also together in the advancements of new financial technologies that is a key element in forging the infrastructure of tomorrow's global economy from which all types of data and transactions will be processed. And in this new ecosystem, the UAE leads the pack as a pioneer in the future of tokenization across the blockchain. Now we are mining for the answer. We're building a cleaner network. But there's always room for inspired innovation, especially when the future of our civilization and our planet depends on it. AL-Markaz, the hub for safe and sustainable growth.